I am freaking shook, and if you aren't, I don't know. What up guys, Ashley Elizabeth here with AHM Artistry, and today we are testing that super viral false lash hack, which is taking really cheap fake lashes and seeing if we can turn them into those luxurious $20, $40 lashes that you just don't always want to dish out the money for. So let's grab our spoolies, grab our lashes, and let's put it to the test. Now, I originally saw this lash hack on Facebook. It is from a girl who's a makeup artist named, I'm so sorry if I say this wrong, but Paloma Garcia. She takes the spoolie and scrubs the lashes to loosen it, and it looks like in the pictures it takes them from straight plasticky looking lashes to those beautiful faux mink lashes that we all just love. Picked up two different sets because I couldn't find a set that looked exactly like hers. I will zoom in to show you. So those right there, they're really thick in the middle, and then they have the flutters that come out. So I looked everywhere, and I can usually find those sets pretty cheap at Daiso or Walmart or whatever, but I couldn't find them. But I did go to Daiso, however you say that. It's at $1.50 Japanese store, and I found these ones. They're actually super cutesy. This one is in the number B03, in case you're interested. And then this is the e.l.f. Natural Lash Kit. It says 1713 is the style, I believe. Now, both of these are cruelty-free because they are not made from animal fur or anything. They are synthetic. They are made from, this one's polyester, and this one is also polyester. So this one does contain eyelash glue, but I'm gonna use my regular duo glue. There was some other Daiso ones that looked closer to the picture, but they came with eyelash glue, and I couldn't find out whether or not that glue was tested on animals, so I had to opt for this set because I am a cruelty-free channel, and e.l.f. products are cruelty-free. So both inexpensive. This one retailed for $1.50, this one retailed for $2. So let's see if we can take these $1.50, $2 lashes all the way to $20 and $40 luxurious lashes. Now, starting with the e.l.f. one right here. So let's try these. I hope I don't ruin them. I've actually never tried any of e.l.f. lashes before, so this will be interesting little try on too. So she just scrubs it like it seems really intimidating and daunting, but oh my gosh, it's working. Look at the difference right there. That is crazy. Let's just go to town on these right now. Wow. Oh, it is shedding a couple little lashes here and there, but not awful. Now, e.l.f. did have some fluttery looking lashes before that I've never seen. They were really pretty, but they were $5. So if you can make these look like that for more than half the price, then hey, that's a pretty cool hack this girl figured out. Miss little smarty pants. Combing and scrubbing at the same time. Wow, two totally different looks. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. And then let's check out the other set. So this is the set from Daiso, sorry, I'm so sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I actually really like these. I've worn some from them before and they were pretty good, but I had complaints about the band. But this band, if you do notice, is very clear, very similar to an Ardell band, but I don't really know until I wear it, right? So let's go ahead and give a little scrub-a-dub-dub. These ones don't want to stay on the carton as much. Those e.l.f. ones were really glued down, so they weren't having any problems lifting out of its carton. This one isn't quite doing it as much. Be aggressive, be aggressive, hey! Okay, it's starting to work. So this is what it looks like so far. Scrubbing. Not too different, but less plasticky looking. I'm gonna finish giving these little guys a scrub-a-dub-dub, and then we will pop them on my lashes. And yes, I'll wear two different sets, one right here, one right there, and we will compare and see how they fare. I'm just rhyming today. I'm a rhymin' lyman. that's not a thing. Okay, so these are them all scrubbed out. I will show you the e.l.f. up close. So really pretty, really fluttery. They are a little bit uneven, but they're totally different lashes now. That is insane. And then here are the Daiso ones. They're a little bit different. They definitely look more realistic now. They don't have that plasticky feel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these off camera, make sure that they fit, and I will apply them right here and we will see how they actually hold up with the band and everything. All right, zoomed up all nice, close and personal, up close and personal. What am I talking about? I totally mess up sayings all the time. This is gonna be the e.l.f. side. I have the glue on there, so I'm just letting it dry. While I was trimming them, yes, the band is almost identical to like the Ardell's, which I love that band. The e.l.f. ones though, you guys, first of all, it's like 2 lashes long. These lashes are so long. I had to cut so much off. It's insane. And the band is super flexible. So although I like the look of the e.l.f. ones better, I'm really scared about how they're gonna apply. But enough talking, let's freaking apply them. Yeah, pretty wispy. Cool. All right, let's pop on the e.l.f. Look at how weird this lash is. Like you can stretch it out or curve it. It is so freaking bendy. It's so bizarre. Wish me luck. Wow, so those are the 2 side by side. I'm gonna go grab some mascara, pop that on real quick, and then show you how I would normally wear them. All right, so that is with the 2 sides mascaraed and everything applied. So let me know in the comments below which side you prefer. It's kind of a toss-up to me. Each side has pros and cons, but overall, yeah, this definitely made the lashes feel more luxurious. The only thing I have to say is you probably won't get as many wears out of them as a more expensive lash. So with the, you know, higher end $20, $40 ones, you're supposed to get a long use out of them. I'm not even quite sure. I don't even own a pair that's $40. I've never tried them, but they do look really thick and sturdy. Actually like the look of the really fluttery e.l.f. side. I think it's really cool. However, that band is super annoying and I feel like I can only get maybe 2 uses out of the lash if I'm lucky. However, it's $2, but I can definitely see the band on the inner corner and it feels like it might lift. So for that reason, I wouldn't use the e.l.f. ones again. I would find another invisible band like this, or I would use these Daiso ones if I found another style. I do like this style for certain makeup looks. Maybe it's the look that I'm wearing right now that I don't like it, but I love the band on this. This feels like an Ardell lash. Ardell lashes, which are what, $4 to $6? Definitely it's the same and it's only $1.50. So let me know in the comments below if you are gonna try this hack, if it is worth it to you to give it a shot, because you know what? It's a pretty good freaking hack. So good job, girl. Good job on finding that. All right, guys, if you are new here, please go down and hit that little subscribe button and join the family. I do post 2 to 3 times a week and I have so much fun creating for you guys. So any support that I get, I thank you so much for. If you are one of my OG subscribers, you guys are freaking awesome. Thank you so much for sticking with me and growing with me and helping me, you know, figure out this whole YouTube world and connect with you guys in the comments. You guys are so awesome, and I hope you all have a great, lovely day.